Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new video series on Korean medical vocabulary. In this series, we will explore various medical related terms in the Korean language, helping you expand your vocabulary and improve your understanding of essential words and phrases used in medical context in the Korean language. So, let's start with the first part of the series. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for medicine. Here, medicine, the field of medicine, the medical field. What is it called in Korean language? Let's see that. It is called 의학. 의학. Next comes the word for medicine, that is the drug that we take while going through any treatment, and that is 약. 약. Okay, so keep this in mind, the difference between these two medicine. First one is the field of medicine and the second one is the drug, the medicine that we take while going through any treatment. Okay, next is the Korean word for doctor, and that is 의사. 의사. Now let's see how to say patient in Korean language, and that is 환자. 환자. Next comes the Korean word for nurse, and that is 간호사. 간호사. Now let's see the Korean word for hospital, and that is 병원. 병원. Now let's move ahead and see the next word, and that is ambulance, and in Korean it is 구급차. 구급차. Here comes the next word, and that is disease. Now there are two ways to say disease in Korean. Let's see. The first one is 질병. 질병. And the second one is just 병. 병. So the difference lies in the usage. 질병 is the formal or more literate word for disease, or I should say the more correct word for disease. And 병, it is used in everyday conversation. Okay, so it also means disease. You can say it is just the shortened form of 질병, just 병. Okay, so both of them can be used to say disease in Korean language. It's correct. Okay. Now let's see the Korean word for symptom, and that is 증상. 증상. And the last one is the Korean word for treatment, and that is 치료. 치료. Alright, so today we learned a few Korean words related to the field of medicine. So, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.